Unit 10 S block elements. Alkali and alkaline earth metals. Of that, the group 1 is called alkali metals. This includes lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Since francium is a radioactive element, most of the properties are compared from lithium to cesium. General characteristics. You have to follow strictly the syllabus. Lot of things are given in the textbook, not included in the syllabus. No need to study all that. Just follow strictly the syllabus. What is mentioned in the syllabus only you need to study. Occurrence. The S block, that is group 1 elements, do not occur in the free state in nature. They are always found to combined state, usually as carbonates, sulfates, silicates, phosphates, etc. The non-availability of these elements in the free state in nature is due to their highly reactive nature. Give reason question. Why group 1 elements are not existing freely in nature? 2. Physical state. Alkali metals show typical silvery white metallic luster when freshly cut. The metallic luster fades rapidly due to the oxidation by atmospheric air. They are soft, malleable, and ductile. They are so soft that they can be cut with a knife. Lithium is the hardest of all the alkali metal. Fill in the blank question. In the group 1, which one is the hardest alkali metal? Or match the following question. Number of elements can be given on a side and which is the hardest element in group 1. Another thing is that why alkali metals fades rapidly when it is exposed to air. Give reason question. When alkali metals are exposed to air, why it is the color silvery white color fades. 3. Electronic configuration. Using half-bay principle, write the electronic configuration by yourself of all the elements. If you already wrote, just copy it into this portion and draw a tabular column, write the name of the element, write the symbol, write the atomic number, and write the electronic configuration. Therefore, lithium atomic number 3, sodium atomic number 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, cesium 55, francium 87. The result of the half-bay principle should be written in that tabular column. Atomic and ionic radii. The atomic and ionic radii of alkali metals show the following characteristics. The ionic radii of alkali metal ions are smaller than the atomic radii of the corresponding atom. For example, this is the lithium atom. It possesses two shells, K shell having 2 electrons and L shell having 1 electron. When it is in an atomic state, it possesses 2 shell, but when it is Li plus, the 1 electron is lost. There is no need of this L shell. Therefore, the ionic radii is less than the atomic radii. 2. Atomic and ionic radii of alkali metals increases on moving down the group. See, the first element lithium possesses 2 shells, whereas sodium possesses 3 shells. Potassium possesses 4 shells. That means as it go down, the number of the shell increases and the atomic radii increases. Fifth point, common oxidation state. Alkali metals exhibit only +1 oxidation state in their compounds. They do not show variable oxidation state as shown by several other elements in the periodic table. Number of elements show variable valency, ferrous, ferric, or gold, auros, auric, but these alkali metals will never show variable valency. true or false statements are given based on this. Then, sixth property, electropositive character or metallic character. The alkali metals are strongly electropositive. Each alkali metal atom is the most electropositive atom in the period. That means if you examine these elements, these are all the starting elements of that period. For the second period, lithium. Third period, sodium, like that. Therefore, these are the elements in this total period. In the second period, the most electropositive is lithium. In the third period, the most positive is sodium. The fourth period, the most positive is potassium. That is the meaning. Due to the strong electropositive character of alkali metals exhibit strong metallic character, because the highly positive nature is actually the meaning is they are strong metallic character. The electropositive character increases going down the group. That means as we go down the group, the electropositive character increases. That means cesium. Since francium is a radioactive metal, we consider with cesium. Cesium is more electropositive than lithium. Ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy or ionization energy values of alkali metals follow the following trends. 2 points. Alkali metals possess very low values of ionization energy. The ionization energy of an alkali metal atom is lowest in the period. We saw that the electropositive character is very high for these elements in that period. The same way we can say that the ionization energy of these elements are the low compared to all the elements in the period. For example, the second period, lithium is having the lowest ionization energy. The third period, sodium is having the lowest ionization energy. The fourth period, potassium is having the lowest ionization energy. The ionization energies of alkali metals decrease progressively in going from lithium to cesium. That means ionization energy decreases. That means cesium is the metal which is having the lowest ionization energy. Last property, reducing nature. Alkali metals are strong reducing agents. This is due to their low values of ionization energy. Give reason question. Why alkali metals are having strong reducing nature? It is due to their low values of ionization energy. The low values of ionization energies facilitate them to lose electron easily. This is why alkali metals are strong reducing agents.